And welcome back to Archives of Fabella Daily, the podcast with the blind leading the blind in a magical world. Today is August 28th, equal to Virgo 6th. Books are available on Amazon. Please rate and review the podcast on iTunes or wherever you listen to your podcasts, and hit that subscribe button for more great stories right in your feed. August 28th, 1609 is the date Henry Hudson discovers Delaware Bay, but in the magical wonderland of Fabella, a disabled author did the impossible. I'm Dylan Foley, and this is Archives of Fabella. Beyond our world, there is love. Beyond our world, there is war. Beyond our world, there is life. Beyond our world, there is Fabella. Virgo 6th, 5609, FY, Fabella year, equal to August 28th, 1609 AD, Earth year. Von J. Javella was a troll author and illustrator from Shangri-La, situated where India would be on a map of Earth. Javella remains one of the most admired writers in the history of Fabellan literature. Her works ranked among the most read in the Revolutionary era. Her career was conventionally divided into early, middle, and late periods. The early period, during which she forged her craft, was typically considered to have lasted through childhood and early adulthood. Her middle period showed individual development in regards to her publishing house, Podius Unlimited, and was home to her most well-known literary works. During this time, she began to suffer increasingly from trouble with her eyesight. In her late period, she wrote 12 books while completely blind. Her blindness was the result of side effects caused by a potion to treat involuntary muscle spasms resulting from her Tourette's syndrome. The potion treated the muscle spasms and uncontrollable outbursts she had, but the cost of the sense she relied upon the most for her art. To compensate for her loss of sight and enable her to still write, she developed the first typewriter. She had a dwarf friend of hers construct the machinery, building raised dots into the keys, so Javella could write by learning to touch the keys. Her later novels, written while she was completely blind, still required quite a bit of assistance from her team at Podius Unlimited to fix errors and read her writing aloud to her. Javella died on Virgo 6th, 5609, due to complications from side effects caused by the toxic potion. She left behind a legacy that inspired many writers for centuries to come. That's going to do it for us today. Subscribe now to get more new episodes right in your feed. Rate and review the podcast on iTunes or wherever you listen to your podcasts. Send your questions to archivesoffabella@gmail.com. Archives of Fabella is created, produced, and hosted by Dylan Foley, with music by Garrett Ferris and audio blocks. Books are available on Amazon in ebook and paperback. As always, look outside of what is possible and think about what might be.